Hello everyone. Today we have an exciting Excel tutorial that will help you save time and effort when it comes to merging and separating data. We will be using a powerful feature in Excel called flash field. So stay tuned because by the end of this tutorial you will be a pro at managing your data efficiently. So let's get started. Before we dive into using the flash field, let's first understand what it is. Flash field is a feature in Microsoft Excel that automates data formatting and manipulations. It helps you spell or combine data with writing complex formulas. It's a real-time server, especially when you are dealing with large data set. Okay, now let's start with merging data and using the flash field. So this can be using when you have the information in separate columns and you want to combine it into one. Okay, here I use the full name and the last name and I want to combine it. So there is the several way you can easily combine it, like the concatenate formula and also the AND formulas, but I want to use here the combined with the flash field. So use here I can just say this will be the Mikhail and just say the Mora. Then now I will use the flash field. So use the data tab and data tools group, just click over the flash field. Now you can see it comes in there automatically, and here is merge the name together. So you don't have right to the name like any formula, you just use first name and last name, it will give the full name within the flash field. Now if I want to use the separate this name or make it the first name and last name, so same way I will do and right here, like first one I just say the Mikhail, just use this one, then use the first this one, or I can use this one, then you can use the Control F or Control E, so it will give you automatically using the flash field. Or you can use here like the, if I say the Mora, then next I will just use the Control E, then it will give me flash field options. Or you can use by using data tab and use the data tools and use the flash field, and it will give you the like separation of there. Okay, so let me use and Control E, and here we got it. So this is now separated from the full name and into the first name and to the last name. Okay, so this way you can easily do with the flash field or automatic fulfill in your data set. Okay, so now repeat this process for the anything you want to use in your data set. So you have learned how to merge and separate data using flash field in Excel. This powerful feature can save you lots of time and effort, especially when dealing with extensive data set. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.